Channel. In today's video, I'll show you a simple method that may help reset the password on some H.264 and H.265 DVRs. First, open your H.264 or H.265 DVR and disconnect the hard drive. This step is important because it helps protect your existing recordings and data in your hard disk.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon. Next, locate the reset jumper pins on the DVR motherboard. They may be labeled as Reset, REST, JP1, JBAT, or CLR CMOS. Using a jumper cap or small screwdriver, short the two pins for about 10 to 15 seconds while the DVR is powered on. Then remove the jumper and allow the DVR to boot normally. Now try logging in with the default username and password. In many cases, this resets the DVR settings and restores the default login credentials. That's it. Your DVR password may now be reset. If this method doesn't work on your DVR model, check out the other password reset tutorials available on my channel.